Hey, it's Michael Rozbruch here, and I am real excited to be coming to you today about some predictions for the tax resolution market for 2020, because I am already seeing the pendulum swing back to enforced collection. Okay, the IRS is issuing a lot more liens in 2020. They already have issued 8 to 10% more just this last year. Okay, the other thing I'm seeing that is really a big marker in the sand is the following. Chuck Rettig, the IRS Commissioner, just appointed 2 former Criminal Investigation Division heads to the Small Business and Self-Employed Collection Division of the IRS. Okay, so now you have criminal investigation guys heading up enforced collection at the IRS. And Chuck Rettig himself is one of us. He's a tax resolution guy. First time in 30 years that the commissioner of IRS is a guy who was in the trenches representing clients. This is a big shift in the IRS's policy from years past. In nearly a decade, Congress now has given the IRS nearly $400 million earmarked to enforce collection. So if you are already in the tax resolution business, you're going to see an uptick in business for 2020, a big uptick in business. If you're just getting into or thinking about getting into the tax resolution business, now is the time to get in on the ground floor. And if you're worried about, well, what if there's a recession, Mike? Look, you'll actually have more business if there's a recession coming up. I don't think there is one, but let's say there is. When people's home values go down and their income goes down, that's the best possible time in the world to negotiate settlements for folks. In 2008 and 2009 and 2010, I had my biggest years in the tax resolution business. But let's put that off to the side. Now is the best possible time to get in. The IRS is filing liens, many more liens. As soon as the taxpayer hits the $10,000 owed in back taxes threshold, the IRS is filing liens. So you're going to see an uptick in liens. You're going to see an uptick in levies. Levies is when the IRS takes physical action and goes into the prospect's bank account or delivers a notice from their HR department that their paycheck is going to get levied. You're going to see a lot more enforcement and compliance action in 2020. Now's the time. By the way, tax season is the best possible time of all year to market for tax resolution clients. From December to May is the best time to market for tax resolution clients. Now's the best time to get in the market. We'll see you on the next video. If you like this information, click the link below, comment, subscribe, click the link below for a webinar, which is going to talk a lot more about the lucrative practice of tax resolution. Click the link below, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.